Okay. Now here is a question which is based on the physical property of the haloalkanes. Now this physical property under discussion is boiling point. Now let us look into the question. Arrange the following compounds in the increasing order of their boiling points. So that is the point of our focus. We need to arrange it in the increasing order. Increasing order means from the lower value to the higher value. Okay, these are the three compounds given to us. Option A. So let's try to name this compound. 1, 2, 3. So the name of this compound will be 1-bromo, 1-bromo, 2-methyl, 1-bromo, 2-methyl propane. In the exam you need not have to name, but I am just telling you in case if this kind of a compound is given to write the IUPAC nomenclature, you should have an idea. That is why I am writing the name. But in the examination you can just straight away come to the answer. This is just the explanation process. That's it. Okay. Now recognize what type of alkyl halide is this. This carbon atom has undergone sp3 hybridization and in turn is in connection with one other carbon atom. Therefore it is a primary haloalkane or a primary alkyl halide. Next, let's give the locant 1, 2, 3 and 4. The name of this compound going to be 1-bromobutane or simply bromobutane. Now this is also sp3 hybridized carbon, therefore it's a primary carbon atom or primary alkyl halide. Now in this case, so the locant will be 1, 2 and 3. Therefore the name of the compound going to be 2-bromo, 2-methyl propane. 2-bromo, 2-methyl propane. Now this carbon atom has undergone again sp3 hybridization and it is a tertiary alkyl halide. So this carbon atom to which halogen is attached is in turn linked with 3 other carbon atom. So that's only general information, nothing to do with this particular question. Now what is the point we should analyze to answer this? Now the point is very simple. As the number of carbon atom in the carbon chain increases, in the main carbon chain, when the carbon atom increases, the boiling point will be higher due to the more number of carbon atoms that is present. This is an important point. As the carbon chain length increases, the boiling point increases. Parallelly, another point of this also has to be noted. As the branching increases, as the branching of the carbon chain increases, boiling point decreases. I repeat, as the branching of the carbon chain increases, boiling point decreases. So that is the line on which we need to think and give the answer. So far what I was explaining to you was a general case. In case if the same set of compounds have been given to identify and then give the IUPAC nomenclature, that was just an additional point I was telling to you. Now whatever the point I told you before this is the one that is going to help us to answer this. So therefore let us see which particular alkyl halide is having too much of branch. It is this. It's having many branches. So therefore that will be the one having the lowest boiling point. Then this is having 2 branches. So see, boiling point will be lesser than that of A and this will be lesser than that of B. That means compound B, 1-bromobutane or bromobutane, will be having the highest boiling point because the carbon chain length is more in this particular case. Carbon chain length is more in this particular case. Moreover, what is common in all of them? Do you know, children? What is common in all of them that you note? All of them are having 4 carbon atoms and they are having 1 halogen. That means they are all isomers. They are all having the molecular formula as, I write it here, C4H9Br. They are having the molecular formula C4H9Br. All of them are isomers. They are all chain isomers. They are all chain isomers because there is difference in the carbon chain. Okay. So, which option suits as per this answer of ours? Let us see. Not option 1 or 2. Yeah, it is 3. So, therefore, the answer to our question is option 3. This is the correct answer. See, this is 2-bromo-2-methyl propane will be having the least boiling point and its boiling point will be lesser than that of 1-bromo-2-methyl propane and its boiling point will be lesser than that of bromobutane. Okay, I hope you got this.